I just want to start by saying I hope the quality will be good enough because I'm having to film this on an action camera. And the reason for that is this is the OnePlus Nord CE2 phone. This is my phone, and this is also because of how good the camera is and how, I'll explain in a second. This is the main camera I use for my videos. So I'm filming the review of this on an action camera because that's my main walking video camera. But as a result, the quality, it's not designed to film things close up, so it might be a little bit fuzzy. So I'm really hoping you can still see everything, but even if it's a bit fuzzy, stick with me because I'll still explain about the features and talk about why you should definitely get this phone and why, in my opinion, for $300, this is the best phone in 2023. Firstly, let me start with, I guess, the design, right? So this is in a case, so this is in a soft kind of silicon case. This is a little bit of paper, right? It's a little affirmation I carry around with me. I've attached, obviously, the case and a pop socket, so it's easier to hold. But without that, it's very sleek. Even with that, it's pretty sleek and thin. And then you have, really big screen, thumbprint scanner, so instant login, very good. And, I have to say that in the entire time I've been using this, it has literally been the best phone that I've ever owned. I've owned iPhones. I've compared this to the newest iPhone. No, not even close, right? In terms of the features. So let me just start by telling you about a couple of the features. So mobile network. You have dual SIM. You have dual SIM, right? So you can put two SIM cards in, switch between them instantly, very easy, very good for traveling. It has an external SD card slot, so you can massively increase the memory. The camera itself, I'll just give you a quick walkthrough of some of the features. Night mode, video, wide angle, 0.6x, photo, again with the different settings, portrait, and then all these other modes like text scanner, time lapse, macro, pro, all the stuff you would expect, but it's actually good. The photo quality, you won't be able to see this because I'm filming a screen with an action camera, but it's so sharp. It can do 4K. It can even do 64 megabytes photos, AI, image stabilization. It has everything. So yeah, the main things I love about this camera, about this phone, is that it's super fast. It's the same, basically same screen quality as the latest iPhones and latest Samsungs. The camera is more than good enough. It does 4K on this camera, 1080 on this one, and it can blur the background. So if you film YouTube videos or street walking or vlogs, this selfie camera is, I think this is 12 megapixels, maybe more. No, 16 megapixels, I think. And 1080p blurs the background, perfect. It does a really good job. Fingerprint scanner, that's just that thing. And then some other benefits is that the charging and the battery life. So compared to the latest iPhone, this has almost double the battery capacity. This has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. It lasts for literally days. I rarely have to charge it. I haven't charged it for several days. It's on 67% still. I use it all the time. And when you do charge it, it's so fast. I can't even explain how fast it is. It's literally you can fully charge it in about 20 or 30 minutes from zero. If you're using the SuperVOOC charger. On a normal charger, just a plain USB-C, maybe 40 minutes to a full charge. And bear in mind that full charge is going to last you several days. Really cool. I don't know what else to say. This is a very good phone. In my opinion, this is the best phone. And when you consider this has all the same, if not better, features than an iPhone, the latest iPhone, but it's a third of the price. A third of the price. Just think about that for a second. This thing is $300. It's a third of the price of an iPhone. It has a better camera. It has dual SIM where the iPhone doesn't. It has external SD card. Significantly faster charging, much faster. A longer battery life. And then all the other benefits of Android, like customization. You can personalize stuff. You can, you can really do anything with this. You really can do anything with this. So yeah, highly recommended. The link to this is in the description. As a digital nomad, as someone who travels quite a lot, I love that it has a dual SIM that comes in very useful. And as a content creator, because I make YouTube videos, the external SD card is essential. needs to have that, and I'm glad it does. The camera has all kinds of cool features that the iPhone doesn't as well. Like you can do dual record, which is really cool, where you can kind of like, you can do dual record, so you can see yourself at the same time as what the other camera is seeing. And you can play around with the different, like, you can do a split, as you can see, this is the action camera. Oblong, move it around, and you can film, like you can record, you can actually film when it's in this mode. Round, move it around like a little loom video or something. Split. Really cool. Yeah, so in my opinion, the main benefits of this are the battery and the charging speed, dual SIM, external SD card, the camera quality, and the features you can do on the camera, and the price. When you combine all of those together, this is, I mean, there's no alternative. This is it. Oh, and this also has 5G if you need it. You can turn that on and off if you need 5G. It has NFC chip, NFC reader. Overall, it's a great phone. You can get this in the link in the description.